Good morning, everybody. How are you? Grade 6. Today we will complete our lessons. We will talk about lesson 2, which talked about properties of proportion. Today we will solve exercise. We will solve exercise on lesson 2. It's the title Properties of Proportion. Exercise number 1. Find the value of x in each of the following proportions. Letter A. 5 over 8 equal 15 over x. 5 over 8 equal 15 over x. As we know that the property of proportion is talked about the product of extremes equal product of means. This means that we will use the method of cross multiplication. It will be 5 x equal 15 times 8 divided 5. 15 times 8 divided 5. Okay. 15 times 8 over 5, it will be 24 by using calculator, or we will reduce 5 with 15, it will give me 3. 3 times 8 equal 24, okay? Letter B, x over 6 equal 20 over 30. X over 6 equal 20 over 30. By the same method, we will use the cross multiplication to get value of x. X equal 6 times 20 over 30. 6 times 20 over 30, okay? So by using calculator, it will be 4. It will be 4. Or we will use the reduction. We will cancel 6 with 30. 6 divided 6 equal 1. 30 divided 6 equal 5. 20 divided 5 equal 4. Okay. Letter C. X over 5 equal 3. As we know that x and 5 and 3 are 3 proportion. Where is the fourth proportion? As we know that 3 is a whole number, it's down equal 1, so the fourth proportion is 1. So x over 5 equals 3 over 1. Okay, the down of the up 3 equal 1. So x over 5 equals 3 over 1. We will use the cross multiplication to get value of x. X equals to 3 times 5 divided 1. 3 times 5 divided 1. Okay. 3 times 5 divided 1 equal 15 divided 1, it will be 15, okay? Letter G, 24 divided x equals 0.8, okay? I have two methods to solve this exercise. Firstly, I will use the last method, which we will put under 0.8 as it's down equal 1. So we will talk about 24 over x equals 0.8 divided 1. So we will represent the first proportion equal 1. Or the another method, second method, we will convert 0.8 into a fraction. 0.8 into a fraction equal 8 over 10. Okay. I prefer to solve by using the first method, which we will put the down of 0.8 equal 1. So we will use the cross multiplication to get value of x. X equal 24 times 1 over 0.8. 24 times 1 over 0.8. By using calculator, it will be 30. Okay. Exercise number 2. Find the value of x in each of the following for the numbers to be proportional. He gives me quantities 9, 21, 3, and x. He talked about 4 quantities are proportional. So we will use the property of cross multiplication or property of product of means equal product of extremes. Firstly, as we know that 9 and 21 and 3 and x are proportional quantities, so 9 divided 21 equals 3 divided x. Okay, again the first proportion over the second equals the third proportion over the fourth. So 9 over 21, it will be equals to 3 over x. Okay, the first over second equals the third over the fourth. Okay, as you give me that the 4 quantities are proportional, so 9 divided 21 equals 3 divided x. We will use cross multiplication to get the value of x. So x equals to 3 times 21, 3 times 21 over 9. Okay, we will reduce 3 with 9. Cancelling 3 with 9, it will be 3. 21 divided 3 equals 7. Or we can use calculator to get the value of x. It will be 7. Okay. Letter B, he gave me 4 quantities and he wanted from me to get the value of the third proportion. 5, 25, x, and 10. As we know that the 4 quantities are proportional, so 5 divided 25 equal x over 10. Okay, 5 over 25 equals x over 10. By using cross multiplication, x it will be 10 times 5 over 25. We will reduce 5 with 25, it will be 5. 10 divided 5 equal 2, or use your calculator to get the value of x equal 2, okay? Letter C, 3, 4, 9, and x. Four quantities are proportional. So the first proportional over the second proportional equal the third over the fourth proportional. So 3 over 4 equal 9 over x. Okay, 3 over 4 equal 9 over x. By using cross multiplication, we will get value of x. X equals to 9 times 4 divided 3. 9 times 4 divided 3. We will reduce 3 with 9, so 3 with 9 equals 3, 9 divided 3 equals 3, 3 times 4 equals 12, or by using calculator it will be 4, okay, it will be 12. Letter D, x, 12, 3 and 4 are proportional quantities, so the first over the second equals the third over the fourth, so x over 12 equals 3 over 4. We will use cross multiplication. X equal 3 times 12 over 4. 3 times 12 over 4. We will reduce 4 with 12. Cancelling 4 with 12, it will be 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. Okay? Or by using calculator, it will give me 9. Okay? Another exercise number 3. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. If two ratios are equal, then the product of extremes space the product of mean. As we know that property of proportion is that the product of extremes are equals to product of means. So we will choose the third choice. It will be equal. Okay. Letter B. 3 over 5 equal x over 20. Then x equal, we can use cross multiplication, or I will deduce that 5 became 20. What happened? We multiplied 5 by 4, so we will multiply the up, which equals 3 times 4, it will be 12. So the result of x equal 12. Or you can use cross multiplication, 3 times 20 divided 5, it will be 12. Okay. Again, I deduced that 5 became 20, so we multiplied 5 by 4 to be 20, so we will multiply the up, which equals 3 times 4, to be 12. So x equal 12. Letter C, space are equal ratios. You must choose the two fractions or the two ratios which equal. 2 over 3 equal 4 over 9, or 2 over 3 equal 8 over 12, or 6 over 7 equal 12 over 21, or 10 over 15 equal 4 over 9. Which pair of ratios are equal? Okay, as we know that we can deduce that the two ratios are equal from the property of product of extremes equal product of mean, which is represented by the cross multiplication. The first pair of ratios 2 over 3 and 4 over 9. Cross multiplication, 2 times 9, 18, 3 times 4, 12. 18 not equal 12, so the first pair not equal ratio. Okay. The second pair, 2 over 3 and 8 over 12. 2 over 3 and 8 over 12. By the cross multiplication, 2 times 12 equal 24. Okay. So 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 equal 24. So the second choice is the correct choice. So 2 over 3 and 8 over 12 are equal ratios. Okay. Letter D, if 2 over 7 equal x over 21, find the value of x. As we know that by using cross multiplication, x it will be 2 times 21 over 7. Or you can deduce that 7 became 21. What happened? We multiplied 7 by 3. So we will multiply the up by the same non-zero number, which equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So the value of x equals 6. Okay. Letter E, if 5 over 9 equal 15 over x, 5 over 9 equal 15 over x, find the value of x. As we know that 5 became 15. What happened? We multiplied 5 by 3 to be 15. So we will multiply 9 by the same number. 9 times 3 equal 27. So the correct result equal 27. Letter F, if x plus 2 over 8 equals 3 over 4, what is the value of x? Then x equal Firstly, as we know that x plus 2 over 8 equals 3 over 4, these four proportional quantities, so we will deduce that 8 became 4. What happened? We divided 4 by 2. Again, what happened to 8? 8 became 4 in the second ratio. 8 became 4. What happened? We divided 8 by 4. So we will divide the, the up, divided 2 to be 3. So x plus 2, it must be 6. Why? Because if I divided 6 by 2, it will be 3. Again, what happened to 8? 8 became 4. We divided 8 by 2 to be 4. So x plus 2 must be equals to 6. Why? Because if I divided 6 by 3 by 2, it will be 3. So x plus 2, it will be 6. So x equal is base plus 2. Number plus 2. 4. 4 plus 2, it will be 6. So x equal 4. Okay, again. As we know that, we deduce that x plus 2 equals 6. What's the number which we added to 2 to be 6? 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So x equal 4. Okay. Letter G, if 8 over x equals 0.5, then value of x equal, we can use cross multiplication to get the value of x, as we know that the fourth proportional is equals to 1. Or you can convert 0.5 into a fraction to be 5 over 10. Okay, so we will use cross multiplication. I will use the first method. 8 times 1 divided 0.5. By using calculator, it will be 16. Okay, so x equal 16. Exercise number 4. Ali bought 5 kilogram of orange. He paid 15 LE. How much money does he pay to buy 8 kilogram? Again, Ali bought 5 kilogram. The price or the cost of 5 kilogram, 15. 5 kilogram of orange equals as a price equals 15. So how many does he pay to buy 8 kilograms? So he wanted from me to get the value, or sorry, the price of 8 kilograms of orange. As we know that the ratio is between the kilograms and the price of kilograms of orange. Okay, so the ratio, it will be between the weight of orange, which is represented by the unit kilogram, and the price, which is represented by unit LE or pound. Okay, so the weight of orange and to the price is the ratio. The name of ratio, firstly, weight of orange and the price. Weight of orange in kilogram and the price in LE. Firstly, he gave me 5 kilogram. We will put 5 kilogram under the weight of orange, and the price of 5 kilogram equal 15. So we will put 15 under the price. Okay. The secondly, how much money does he pay to buy 8 kilogram? He gave me 8 kilogram and wanted from me to get the price of 8 kilogram. We will put 8 kilogram under the weight of orange, so we will put 8. And he wanted from me to get the price of 8, so we will put question mark under the term of price. Okay, as we know that 5 to 15 equal 8 to question mark. Okay, so we will get the price of 8 kilogram. How can I get the price of 8 kilogram of orange? By using cross multiplication. As we know that the product of mean equals the product of extremes. So by using cross multiplication, it will be the price of 8 kilogram equal 15 times 8 divided 5. We will reduce 5 with 15. It will be 3 times 8 equal 24 LE. Okay, again by using cross multiplication, 15 times 8 over 5 equals 24 LE. So 5 kilogram of orange, its price 15 LE, and 8 kilogram of orange equal 24, its price 24 LE. Okay. Exercise number 5. A car consumes 20 liters of petrol to cover a distance of 240. The car used 20 liters to cover a distance of 240 kilometers. Calculate the consumption rate of the car. Firstly, he demanded from me to calculate the rate of the car. Number 2, okay, calculate the quantity of petrol needed to cover a distance of 600 kilometers. Firstly, we will find the first demanding. Firstly, we will find the rate of the car. As we know that the rate of the car, equals the first quantity of petrol over the second quantity, which represented the distance in kilometer. Solution: firstly, the rate of consumption of the car equal the quantity of petrol dividing the distance that car covered. The quantity of petrol is 20 liters, so 20 liters divided the distance equal 240. So 20 divided 240 by using calculator it will be 1 over 12 liter per kilometer. Okay, liter per kilometer. So the rate of consumption of the car equal 1 over 12 liter for each kilometer. So he used 20 liters to cover 240. We can calculate the quantity of petrol to cover 600 kilometers. As we know that the ratio is between the quantity of petrol to the distance which is the car covered. So the ratio it will between the liter, as we know that the quantity of petrol in liter and the distance which car covered in kilometer. So the ratio is between, it will be between liter and kilometer. So the car it used 20 liter to cover 240. So we will put under liter 20 and under kilometer 240. So the first ratio is 20 to 240. The second ratio is he demanded to know the quantity of petrol in liter to cover 600 kilometers. So we will put 600 kilometer under the term of kilometer, and we will put question mark under the term of liter. So question mark to 600 kilometer. By using cross multiplication, we can calculate the quantity of petrol, which equal 20 times 600 divided 240. 20 times 600 divided 240. So the quantity of petrol equal 20 times 600 over 240 equal 50 liter. So the car can use 20 liters to cover a distance of 240 and use the 50 liter to cover 600 kilometers. Thanks for everybody. Thank you very much.